The advantages of artificial intelligence, AI. A captivating animation showcasing AI systems and their applications. Welcome to our exploration of the advantages of artificial intelligence. AI is a revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we interact with machines and process information. Today, we'll delve into the key benefits of AI and how it's changing our world for the better. An AI-powered factory assembly line operating smoothly. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to enhance efficiency across various industries. AI-powered automation systems streamline processes like manufacturing, logistics, and data analysis. These systems work tirelessly, reducing errors and minimizing downtime, resulting in increased productivity and cost savings. Advantage 2: Data analysis and insights. A futuristic data center with AI servers processing data. AI is a master at handling vast amounts of data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. From customer behavior to market trends, AI can extract valuable insights from complex datasets that human analysis might overlook. This ability empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize strategies, and identify opportunities for growth. A person browsing through a personalized online shopping platform. AI plays a pivotal role in creating personalized experiences for users. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI algorithms can tailor recommendations, such as product suggestions, movie selections, or news articles, matching each individual's unique tastes and needs. Advantage 4: Advanced healthcare. A doctor using AI-powered medical imaging technology. AI's potential in the healthcare industry is boundless. It aids in diagnosing medical conditions more accurately based on a patient's symptoms and historical data. AI algorithms analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and assist in designing personalized treatment plans, leading to better patient outcomes. Advantage 5: Natural language processing. A person using voice commands to control smart home devices. Natural language processing, NLP, enables AI systems to understand and respond to human language. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have revolutionized the way we interact with technology. NLP also enables sentiment analysis, language translation, and communication between people who speak different languages. Advantage 6: Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous cars driving safely on the road. AI has made tremendous strides in developing autonomous vehicles. Through a combination of sensors, cameras, and powerful AI algorithms, self-driving cars can navigate roads with remarkable safety and efficiency, reducing accidents caused by human error. Conclusion. Montage of diverse AI applications and their benefits. As we've seen, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries and changing lives for the better. From efficiency gains to advanced healthcare and personalized experiences, AI's advantages are vast and continue to expand. Embracing AI responsibly and ethically will undoubtedly unlock even more potential for a brighter and more innovative future. Thanks you for watching us. We hope that you liked our video and you will subscribe our channel.